In this video, I will show you how to use call screening feature on iOS 26. So let's get started. On iPhone with iOS 26, you can block specific callers and you can change your settings to automatically identify, screen, filter and block unknown and spam calls. To screen a call, first open Settings app. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Now from the list, find Phone and now tap on it to open. Now scroll down and under Screen Unknown Callers, you will get three options: Never, Ask Reason for Calling and Silence. If you select Ask Reason for Calling, calls from unknown numbers will be asked for more information before iPhone rings. And if you select Silence option, then calls from the unsaved numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail and appear in the recents list. Just select the option as per your needs to activate call screening on iOS 26. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.